Welcome to BBC Sun, Sand, Move, where fitness meets tranquility. Experience our invigorating 60-minute beach fitness workouts designed to challenge your body and uplift your mind. Led by our team of expert trainers, whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, we'll guide you through a transformative workout. Immerse yourself in the serene beach setting, where the rhythmic ocean waves blend with heart-pumping exercises, allowing you to harness the revitalizing energy of the universe. Runners have the opportunity to enhance their BBC fitness sessions by incorporating a leisurely walk or jog along the pristine Sana beach. With the flexibility to choose a distance ranging from 3 to 10 km, depending on individual stamina and fitness levels, we assure you a delightful and invigorating experience. The running track along Sana Beach is not only secure, but also free from any air pollution, allowing you to relish every step of your run amidst the beautiful surroundings. Enhance your natural healing process at BBC by rehydrating with a revitalizing beverage and cherishing moments with a workout companion. Experience the multitude of health advantages that come with improving your fitness while immersing yourself in the tranquil ambience of Sana Beach. From stress reduction and enhanced sleep to increased vitamin D absorption, a strengthened immune system, improved skin health, respiratory benefits, hormone equilibrium, and a profound connection with nature, the benefits are endless. The ultimate exercise for improving cardiometabolic health is to incorporate invigorating fitness classes along with cardiovascular training, such as jogging or swimming. For BBC members aiming to shed excess weight and attain a state of overall well-being, swimming in the pool is an excellent choice. Eating well is a powerful biohacking technique that boosts wellness and longevity. Enjoy rejuvenating treats and Chef Luca Massini's exquisite creations at Birdhouse, famous for visually stunning and trendy dishes. Prioritize nourishing your cells with whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, antioxidant-rich vegetables, and essential vitamins. Avoid processed foods, high-sugar snacks, and drinks to prevent energy crashes and inflammation. Following these guidelines promotes optimum wellness and vitality for daily activities. The fundamental basis of health biohacking lies in prioritizing sleep, eating well, and moving well. As a valued member of the BBC, you have the exclusive privilege of accessing the Birdhouse Spa. Here, you have the freedom to choose from a wide range of spa treatments, all offered at discounted prices of up to 50%. Our exceptional signature spa treatments, such as the chi massages and after-sun facials, have been carefully crafted to enhance the well-being of your muscles, joints, and skin. By merging the BBC Sense and Moves philosophy with the expertise of our spa team, we guarantee that you will indulge in a revitalizing and peaceful night's sleep that you simply won't be able to resist. Our goal is to promote wellness-oriented vacations as a platform for educating healthcare professionals and the public about lifestyle medicine and self-care. Strategic partnerships with like-minded organizations will significantly enhance the success of this mission.